You will find 6 different buttons in the Form Layout toolbox. 5 of these buttons will perform their own specific task, and the 6th is a multifunction button that can be used to perform all sorts of different tasks using behaviours. We'll look at behaviours in separate tutorial videos. Of the 5 dedicated task buttons, 3 of these will be the subject of different tutorials, so let's quickly look at those. The print button can be used to create a PDF copy of a form instance. There are a few options available with this, and these will be covered in a different tutorial. The Show Form and Show Report buttons can be used to open different form instances or reports from within the current form instance. Again, this will be covered in different tutorials. But if you want more information now, do remember the question mark at the top of the Properties pane is a link into the online help guide. The other 3 buttons are more commonly used. The Submit button and Page button are also dedicated to a single task each, and the clue to what they do is in the name. The Submit button will submit the data and close the form, and the Page button is used to navigate to a different page in a multi-page form. Whilst these dedicated buttons can be useful and easy to use, you will often find yourself wanting to do more than just submit or navigate to a different page. When this is a requirement, you would use the button instead. The difference with the button, sometimes called Action or Command button, is that there are no dedicated behaviours embedded within the button, but you can add your own custom behaviour that will be triggered when the button is pressed. Other tutorial videos will cover these behaviour techniques in more detail. From the form layout perspective, you will need to understand what should happen when a button is pressed, so that you can use the right button to start with. If you do get it wrong though, don't worry, as it's very easy to replace your buttons later, even when it's necessary.